first time ever.
Falling act of terror.
We are ready to engage with a two-state solution.
Some of his most senior cabinet members
The drivers of a new economic age.
While the world keeps its eyes glued to nukes, billion-dollar deals, and celebrity headlines, something strange has been happening quietly out at sea. By our count, at least 5 mysterious ship explosions have happened this year alone. The most recent, a Greek-owned ship called Villamora near Libya. Now its engine room flooded. No injuries, but certainly raising eyebrows. Now one ship exploding may be bad luck, 2 carelessness, but 5, now that's just fishy. Especially since reports suggest limpet mines might have been used. You know, the kind spies stick onto ships in action movies before speeding away in fancy boats. Now these attacks haven't made front page news yet, but behind the scenes shipping companies are panicking, and here's where it gets interesting. Now all these 5 ships had recently visited Russian ports. Naturally, fingers are pointing at Ukraine. Now the theory. Ukraine might be targeting Russia's shadow fleet, those shady ships helping Russia dodge sanctions and sell oil. And yes, Ukraine hasn't claimed anything officially, but it wouldn't be out of character. Think. Drone strikes on Russian oil terminals, Nord Stream sabotage claims, and special ops in Africa. In short, they hit back hard and far. But wait, there's a twist. 3 of the hit ships were actually carrying Kazakh oil, not Russian. Plus, these explosions didn't all happen in the same way. Also, 4 out of 5 of these ships had stopped in Libya or nearby waters, another hotspot for shady maritime activity. Could this be about more than just Russia versus Ukraine? Maybe Libya's chaos is making it easier for secret players to pull strings from the shadows. Some even mention Iran, a country known for playing risky games at sea. Could they be stirring things up for their own reasons? Honestly, no one really knows. But here's the unsettling part, guys. In today's messy world, it feels like anyone can play in the shadows. And maybe that's exactly the message someone out there wants to send. What do you think? Are we watching a new kind of secret sea war unfold? That's all from my side in this subject, in this video. I'll see you in the next video. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.